There is a theory that's been doing the rounds on the internet for the past decade, claiming that the original Mandela, the Mandela that went to jail, never went out. The Mandela that went to the Rivonia trial didn't actually go out of jail. He probably passed away. And the Nelson Mandela we got could be a clone, an imposter, a lookalike. It might not be him at all. Here's a picture of Nelson Mandela a couple of years before the Rivonia trial. Nelson Mandela and Colonel Wakenu in 1962 on a personal orders of His Majesty Haile Selassie. Mandela was given a gun as a gift. That image was taken in 1962. As you can see, in 1963, Mandela was already standing in trial for treason with the accused on the image. Here is some further context about this image. This photo was taken during Nelson Mandela's visit to Ethiopia in 1962, where he received military training from Colonel Fekadu Wekene. I personally will be attending military training, and I think every South African, male or female, should be joining some form of military training so we can be ready for what's coming. Mandela was in Ethiopia to seek support for the African National Congress, the ANC, and its armed wing Umkhonto weSizwe, and to receive military training for himself. In conclusion, Nelson Mandela fought for the liberation, went to jail, Rivonia trial, went out of jail in 1990. Yeah, the whole history. This is the only Mandela. There's no clone. This is the only man.